In this video, I'll show you how to manage the admin settings for coffee breaks. You can find the settings in the respective team in the top navigation bar, under Coffee Break app via Admin Settings. As an admin, you can activate and manage coffee breaks via the configuration. In addition to Crewting Meet, Microsoft Teams or Google Meet can also be used as video solutions. To do this, the respective integration must first be connected. Once the corresponding integration is active, it can also be used in the configurations. Back to the configuration. In the first step, you can select the video solution and a boost for the coffee breaks. If you use Crewting Meet, you can use the boost to add a quiz or icebreaker questions to the coffee breaks, for example. The individual boosts are explained in separate videos. Select the desired setting in the first configuration step. You can only select Microsoft Teams or Google Meet if the corresponding integration has been activated beforehand. In the second step, you can set the matching according to your individual preferences. At the top, you can specify the name of this matching campaign. This name will then also appear on the calendar invitation. You can then set the number of people per coffee break when the first invitations should be sent, the frequency of matching after the start date, the day on which the invitations to the coffee breaks are sent, and the time at which the invitations are sent. You can activate our AI via the algorithm settings. When this setting is active, the system attempts to connect new colleagues with each matching. In addition to past matches, other criteria such as time zones and availability are also taken into account. This may occasionally result in repeated matches. Nevertheless, the function ensures that as many new connections as possible are created within the organization. Next, you set the duration of each meeting and the type of scheduling. You can choose between automated scheduling, manual scheduling, or a mix of both. If necessary, in the last step, you can exclude certain people from the selected channel from matching, or include only selected people for matching. When you are finished, you can click on Create, and the finished configuration will be displayed. You don't have to wait for the first matching to start. You can also start it manually by clicking on Start Matching Now. If you want to add another admin, you can do so via Add New Admins. Simply select the desired person and click on Save. You will also find additional settings in the admin settings. Here, you can disable the option for individual users to block each other and set a default time zone and language for the entire workspace. You can also specify the maximum number of coffee breaks a user is allowed to take, as well as the maximum duration of each break. At the bottom, you can manage extended availability. It is important to note that coffee breaks are always scheduled for the week after matching. If no mutual free time slot can be found in the first week, another attempt will be made a week later, and so on. You can use this setting to specify how long availability is extended. Further down, you will also find the management of your subscription. If you have any questions, something is not working, or you're looking for specific information, you can access our support area in the settings at the very bottom via Open Help Center. Here you will find all the information you need and can contact a member of our team at any time. Now we wish you lots of fun for your next coffee break and many great conversations.